we so eka ho a we so eye 1 billion. It's a wish sika egu ha yi na. Osofo fabra form kakra. Osofo fafo ne bra form. Fafo ne bra form. Fafo ne bra form. Good. It's a wish kaya egu ha ya. Not as a 3 billion cedis. 3 billion. Aska we nyina no. Ya de ko asoli fie ho. Ewrade ya ntomu a. Efie da eda ya nimu on the 7th of October. Enumere 7 o'clock. I say all night na say. Yeah, go check. Asafo, where the toso aha.
Abusia putu ya sanko ya reko semon kai boya de baba somo ni nyina ene ye ma no ma part me chere mama Agradaa Mrs. Esiama no ko fine no ko pressure no ko tantalizing aka Jesus was sabedi wone aban no ekwa akokwa ahye mfie polepole maako edunu me chere 15 years imprisonment asemi eba so ene ya ewo Accra High Court eho na wo mko asetan ni nyina no eye be 2022-2023 and Sembia a course so I will now sorry them who were 2 months to say, or Baba on what Dennis and Chenia Doye, I will now sorry them with so your church member now bar, and to answer your poor all nights now baby and then that would is Kabuchu and a coffee.
The way so eka ho a we so eye 1 billion. It's a wish sika egu ha yi na. Osofo fabra form kakra. Osofo fafo ne bra form. Fafo ne bra form. Fafo ne bra form. Good. It's a wish kaya egu ha ya. Not as a 3 billion cedis. 3 billion. Aska we nyina no. Ya de ko asoli fie ho. Ewrade ya ntomu a. Efie da eda ya nimu on the 7th of October. Enumere 7 o'clock. I say all night na say. Ya ko check. Asafo, where the toso aha good. Ya ko check. Adiama dadifo emakuofo Obebia of Manebra from the say Toscan so form good. It's always Kebu na a 3 billion. I a heavyweight champion Pedam Saka Crossofo international ministry.
No mama for the Trinitrada, Eco Pimo, a one answer them who are semino ecasedi. Your power sorry, the door the big number to do so go with Bobra, some mamino, a buomo, a faswa, and you are kind 1 year am from more beach, set womunya and to my beach says, Sicaka Criminal, be so quite say, near crow more the coin, mamma, side you from someone. One flashy alpha ama almost answer me and the cocoa pimu a walk ya omo adi assemnachana ene and the bass would seem more for a quatana assemblance no more quatanas this answer your benty omu de kind emaniko so one quite pregnancy test in share say anya biana mammy were from quite by no not one fair frubia no tina bass was say you didn't a sentence a man no and a lawyer is original and work as a mutre to more for the radio was rare. Wobeka said judge no on tampered justice with the mercy if you say mama part no the first time ni ya we first time offender won to mra bia Ghana hada intika wo hu ni mobo fi say ni keka kono ano ya ye de no ana attorney general so sorry ya wo no so etie mu ne lawyer ne kan ya wo kire say mami enye the first time ni ya wo ye bia say lawyer no ka no na wa ye aye asan ye bi mutemra so say ye de wo no eye ensen na ho de magana ene wo mpo omo a etete sa wo kra sa so ba ni bi enunti judge no etia for no mienu nyina awie no twen ne pen e de see krata so sign ti ase trotro ne nsem wa pagya ni ti no ene o smama part se emra no esi ni ko na kodam 15 years. Entabusia we ene ensem ya aba na yede aba beso mo mesre se obegya wo comment e wo comment section ho e de ama me we die akwakoye awehosem pa e de ama heavyweight champion titru ene Mr. Esiama we no judge a sentence no de yede no ekwakopie mu e wo ne dwefie e bia obepre bill e bia obesan akọ appeal akọ niti ahwe se empo ye nja no mane fa ne ho dia emra ne betimi akabia ama no ate so ana we no eye emra ne sesen ni bedi akire ni bepie fun bebia no we no eye emra ne sesen de e na mra ne beka fa ho aso obetimi akọ appeal na wakọ niti se empo court no enhwe na yenti ni mfie no so emfa ma no ne bepie fun bebia ye behye mo boss ye mama so emu wo ho ye besan aba na yedi ababa so yida sa rehusemi so na yakase eye too much gh mesrew no mi subscribe button so na de be ona kan ho se be na upload no to pe one first person ya wonsa ebidi kai akabi all the social media platforms so kwa eye too much gh o subscribe na like no wa share na wonwa bi so enye bi ahwe ebusuya dark code enemy macro
ye kono man makro ma ye nyi prebu wo kwanso wo lala odofo ede ne wo hawo ede ne wo dadwen yare be na ye kwanko a wo de chenchecheche a wonya no aduro ende na me kanfo raboni spiritual research and divine medical laboratory ede ama eye prophet Dr. Abedagu ene da no
a wise man will hear and will increase knowledge, but the fools despise counsel.
Prophet Dr. Abedagu ye odifo a eweye mremu awrade eyi no ama wiase se sunsum yare bia aye okwanko Dr. Edikre Wowo and the American Prophet Dr. Abedagu Invisible Teaching Hospital powered by Castoplanto Technology. Kai Prophet Dr. Abedagu and you pray for me. Intishisha Prophet Dr. Abedagu actually kwanwo in Sawama to Oreku Liberty House. And that's a Fred Dr. Prophet Abedagu 020-859-9576. Now I say 027-8977-215. In short of 4 Kai, so would you be was so na semba na bibi krem.